This channel is produced by Japanese chef Taka-san using a different approach compared to other culinary videos. It is to create a Japanese cuisine community for the viewers to participate in. The contents and the dishes are based on requests received from viewers and friends, a program created by the viewers for the viewers. It is a desire to solve questions and problems regarding Japanese cuisine through this Japanese cuisine community.
Pressed grilled mackerel sushi. Let's begin with making the sweetened vinegar. Add all of the listed ingredients to a pot and bring to a boil. Then, let it rest at room temperature. Now, let's prepare the rice for the sushi. Wash the rice gently, being careful not to smash any grains. Repeat washing the rice 2 or 3 times. Add about 150 cc's of water for every scoop of rice. Next, we'll prepare the fish. Start by cutting it into 3 sections. Then, remove the stomach bones and pin bones. Season the mackerel with salt. Fish like mackerel have a lot of natural fat, so season it well. Time to grill. Finished. Put some char on the skin side for a better appearance. Next, we'll make the sushi vinegar. You can find the ingredients and amounts in the video details. Once the rice is finished cooking, we can add the vinegar. After all of the rice is seasoned with the vinegar, gently cut the rice to prevent it from forming clumps. Now we can make the sushi. This process is simple if you have a special box for making pressed sushi, but we'll use trays and a rolling mat today. Arrange the grilled mackerel evenly along the bottom, making sure to keep the volume of the fish the same throughout. Layer the sushi rice on top of the fish. Press hard to form the basic shape of the sushi. Then, use a rolling mat to straighten the corners. Finally, we'll wrap the outside in a layer of shiroita kombu kelp. Spread the kelp on a layer of plastic wrap and use it to roll the sushi. After that, let the sushi rest in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Time to cut the sushi. Keep the sushi wrapped in plastic while you cut it to preserve its shape. Remove the plastic wrap and plate the sushi. All done! Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel.